fortunate due to a lot of work. I have not been able to attend a single workshop by her, but I know her intentions and the topics which she's dealing with is very important for our society and what our society is going through. So my topic of performance is also related to this, the women abuse which we are suffering, and the reason why we are suffering this, and what is the solution to it. So we are I'm going to depict an enactment. With me, there are two more artists, Pandit Somnath Mishra ji on harmonium and also the vocal artist. He's going to sing for us today. On tabla, we have Vivek Mishra ji, and he is also a world-renowned tabla player. So we have a wonderful team over here, and I'm trying to present today the women abuse, and I hope I meet the expectations of the audience. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anu, for giving me the opportunity. And the comparer today is Vritti Munjal. Please welcome.
A warm welcome to everybody present here. A warm welcome to everybody present here. This beautiful Kathak piece has been choreographed by Ms. Neha Banerjee. It is a depiction of the abuse that women face, that they have been facing since ancient times, which has definitely worsened over the new era. The status of women in India has been subjected to great changes over these years. During the Vedic period, women were enjoying an equal status as men in all respects. Their existence was glorified. Their existence was worshipped. Goddesses were worshipped. The Vedic literature conceptualized the equality of two genders through the Ardhanareshwar. Ardhanareshwar means the Lord who is half woman. The composite of Hindu god Shiv and his consort Shakti, also known as Parvati. It represented the synthesis of masculine and feminine energies of the universe. It illustrates how Shakti, the feminine principle, is inseparable from Shiv. The union of these principles was the womb of all creations. She begins with a performance now.
अर्धांग बाघंबर छये अर्धांग बाघंबर छये उतगले मोतीन
Neha Di just showed how respectful position the women in earlier times were into. But the position of women in society has deteriorated. It's not the same. Since then, the violence against women has become a very deep part of our culture. It is so deeply woven into the fabric of our society. Draupadi, a character from the Mahabharata, is the epitome of feminism in India history. A woman was subjected to extreme tortures. She was losing her individuality, she was objectified, she was shared by 5 women, she was subjected to losing her respect due to a game of dice played by her husbands. She signifies the Shakti element of the feminine principle in the society, the fight against injustice that she wrote. She will now play Draupadi.
मोरी पतिरा को गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी मोरी लाज रखो गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी मैं दुखिया शरण तिहारी मैं दुखिया शरण तिहारी ओ गिरधारी मोरे लाज रखो गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी भरी सभा में दुष्ट दुशासन भरी सभा दुष्ट दुशासन खेचत चीर हमारी खेचत चीर हमारी पांच पति मिल सब बलहार पांच पति मिल सब बलहार मौन हुए नर नारी मौन हुए नर नारी मोरी लाज रखो गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी पति रखो गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी तेरे सुनत बंसी धुन त्यागो तेरे सुनत बंसी धुन त्यागो तुरत बढ़ायो सारी तुरत बढ़ायो सारी सूरदास प्रभु भक्तन के हित सूरदास प्रभु भक्तन के हित तन मन धन सब वारी तन मन धन सब वारी मोरी लाज रखो गिरधारी ओ बनवारी लाज रखो गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी ओ गिरधारी।
Violence against women is a worldwide yet hidden problem. It has elevated to such extent that those who are victimized consider themselves to be at fault. The modern abuse of women has changed from polygamy, sati, parda to rape, molestation, dowry, feticide, and acid attacks. Male domination still exists. We've evolved as social animals, but subjected the women principle to higher levels of maniac animal behavior. She will now depict the modern abuse. the fear of abuse is more oppressive than the abuse itself. The fear of walking alone in the dark, the fear of traveling late, the fear of marrying, the fear of losing career after kids, the fear of mere existence as a woman. True empowerment will be when the feminine half of the Srishti, the earth, will be free of fear. We ourselves are the solutions to the problems we face. The evils we face today are a result of mental sickness of few creatures in the society. Thanks to the efforts of great souls like a few present here, we are progressing and identifying and treating the mental behavior. Till then, we women are our own support, we are our own defense, we are our own solution. Be the Durga you need. Speak up for yourself. Fight your own battle. Thank you.
Thank you to the wonderful audience here. This was the small piece from my choreography, and I wish to take it to the next level with the support of people like you all. Thank you so much for inviting and letting me perform here. Thank you so much.
A special thanks to Neha. Please, can you get up from your seats? All beautiful women, जब तक हम उठेंगे नहीं, कुछ होगा नहीं. खड़े हो जाओ यार. If till you don't get up, there is nothing going to happen. And not just get up, you have to connect together. I bow down to her because she connected so beautifully. Abuse doesn't have a language. Mental health doesn't have a language. Dance doesn't have a language. Let's break those barriers. Thank you. Brilliant.